Bend that shit.
Crazy curvy, wavy, big titties, little waist body. Crazy curvy, wavy, big titties, little waist body. Crazy curvy, wavy, big titties, little waist body. Crazy curvy, wavy, big titties, little. How about that? Ate it up and gave it back. Baby look good, but they still wanna know we're making it. Talking like a barbecue, but you won't get your baby back. See me in there.
So guys, I'm jumping right into this video. This company AllRUN sent me this unit. As you guys see, it's 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back. So you guys, I know I've been saying a lot in my videos, and I'm gonna try not to do it too much in this video. So yeah, let me know if I said too much in this video. I'm sure you guys will. So this is a Brazilian straight 14-inch pre-pluck bob with baby hairs, 150% density, and it's 14 inches. So you guys, this is how it looks straight out of the packaging. The hair has no smell, normal. I'm showing you guys the parting space. It wasn't too much of a parting space, like it's not a lot, but it's okay. And the texture of the hair is amazing. It's very soft, you guys, very soft. It's looking crazy right now because this is how it looks straight out the box, and you know it's been folded and all that. I did go in and pluck the hairline a little bit because I just wanted to do it just a little bit. I didn't have to do too much. I mean, it's up to you, however you like your hairline or whatever. So yeah, so I'm just really showing you guys how I know I could have did like a better cut, but I didn't cut it, you guys. This video, I just did this for a review, so I didn't wear it out that night or that day. Yeah, you guys see I was totally barefaced. No lashes, no makeup, nothing, not even no earrings on this video, because I was just mainly trying to get this video out and show you guys these units, because I am backed up. That's why I have been having a lot of hair videos, because I need to be getting these videos out, you guys. So like I said, I did go in and pluck a little bit, not much, but just a little bit. So you guys, I skipped a lot of it because I didn't want this video to be too long. But if you want a more detailed video on how I do my baby hairs and all that, but pretty much I just used the Got To Be and the gel, and that's it. And I did use powder. I didn't bleach the knots. I did pluck the part just a little bit, just to widen it a little bit, but that's mainly like all I did. Like I said, I wasn't really going anywhere, but this did stay on my head for about 3 days. I did let it stay on my head about 3 days. But like I said, this, I like it. I really like this wig. It really looks natural to me. So guys, in this next clip, I am putting on my CBunny Beauty edge wrap scarf. So get you one, sis. On my website it is available now. It really laid my edges down, no cap, and this is so perfect. This is not, I do want to get some thicker ones, but this works so well for the baby hairs. It lays it down and get it done right. So now guys, I am taking my straightening comb. I went and purchased a smaller one. I do have the one that you can put on the stove, but this is the one you actually plug in. And I bought it smaller because I'm only gonna really use it to lay down my wig, or you know, to make it flat or whatever. But I did still go in on I did go in with my wax stick as well. You guys, I talked about this in one of my videos. I really love this wax stick. It lays it down as well. And yeah, so that's basically what I did to lay down my wig and how I did my baby hairs. Right now, you guys, I'm just basically just a flat iron it, and you know, just messing around with it. So you guys, this how it looks. Like I said, I did not cut it or anything like that because I just mainly wanted to show you guys how it looks. I just did a little flat iron and a little crinkle or whatever you can call it, that little curl or whatever. So you guys, this how it look. Like I just got a perm. It is gorgeous and it has a lot of body. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. And thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.